We see a lot of Instagram people in these days, in this neighborhood. It's the real Paris. I mean, we're just next to the Eiffel Tower, but it's not as touristic as if you are just down the Eiffel Tower. You are really living the Parisian way of living.
Here on PhotowalksTV, I've long advocated getting off the beaten path and exploring without being part of a drive-by. Getting on the side streets, getting on the back roads, and here we are in Paris, France, on one of the great side streets. It's called Rue Cler, and our challenge, our object is just to run around with our phone and see how many great photos we can get on just a wonderful side street in Paris. So if you'll join me, let's go explore Rue Cler. In this district, the Eiffel Tower, the Champs-Élysées, the Arc de Triomphe are right around the corner, sort of like a 10 to 15 minute walk. I think it's the best place to stay in Paris, so I highly recommend it.
Rue Cler is in the 7th district of Paris, a small lane on a side street near the Champ de Mars, just 2 blocks from the metro. The Eiffel Tower is a 15-minute walk, while the Champs-Élysées will take you about a half hour. You are surrounded, as you can see, by so many great restaurants, buildings, and Paris street life, the way you probably always imagined it. The Alexander III Bridge that I spoke about in part 1 of this series is a short stroll away, as well as is the Orsay Museum.
And now a quick word from our sponsor, SmugMug. Thank you, SmugMug, for supporting PhotowalksTV. I've been a happy, loyal customer for over 15 years. I have several reasons why I subscribe to SmugMug. One of them is the ability to sell prints. I'm here in Paris. I am shooting thousands of photos. And wouldn't it be cool to go home and make a little money off the trip by selling some prints? SmugMug makes it really easy. Clients see the buy button on my website, and that button, that order, goes direct to the lab. I don't have to do anything. The lab makes the print, ships it, collects the money, and then sends the money to me. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. SmugMug has a free 2-week trial at smugmug.com. I urge all PhotowalksTV viewers to go check it out.
While in Paris, we stayed at the Hotel Champ de Mars, a small boutique hotel about a half a block away from Rue Cler. In fact, that was the hotel owner you saw interviewed at the front of the episode. They are not sponsoring this edition of PhotowalksTV. That honor goes to SmugMug, but we love the hotel and highly recommend it. Check out our view of the Eiffel Tower from our room. That is, if you stick your head out the window to grab a peek.
The hotel is more than 100 years. The building was built during the Exposition Universelle. It was built for the workers to go and build the Eiffel Tower. So it's very old, and you can feel, I think, the history of the building. When you go up to the stairs are not really like squared. It's living, and it's old, and it's how do you say? It's historical. Yes.
For more information about Paris in our photo walks, be sure to check out the blog section of the PhotowalksTV.com website. Be sure to subscribe to the PhotowalksTV newsletter, jeffersongraham.substack.com, and of course, PhotowalksTV right here on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more episodes from Paris, France.
Au revoir, à bientôt. Nous espérons vous voir très très bientôt.